Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing fine today. I am Malunga. We continue with our studies in computer studies. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about network topology. Now, what is a network topology? What is a topology? Now, in simple terms, a network topology can be said as a physical and logical configurations of the nodes and connections in a network. Or we can also say that it is simply the structure of a network and how each node is connected to each other. The structure of a given network and how each node is connected to each other. By a node, we simply mean any device that is used to send, receive, or forward information in a network. That is called a node. Now, some examples of nodes include the following. We've got the personal computer, a hub, switches, modems, bridges, and many more other devices that we can use to send, receive, or forward information. Those are called nodes. So basically, there are two types of network topology. Number one is a physical topology, and number two is a logical topology. Today, I'm going to discuss the physical topology. What is a physical topology? Now, physical topology is simply the arrangement in which different elements are connected together in a network, or it reflects the physical layout of devices and the cables to form a network. The physical layout of elements or devices and the cables to form a network. Now, here we're talking about physical. That's why it is called the physical topology. It takes into consideration or account the placement of nodes and distance between each node. Now, what are the types of physical topology? There are so many types of physical topology. Some of them are star topology, bus topology, mesh topology, ring topology, hybrid topology, and many others. All these are examples of physical topology. Now, let us talk about the advantages and disadvantages of physical topology. The first advantage of physical topology is its scalability. This network can allow, or this topology can allow the addition of other nodes once it's created. So you can still add one or two nodes once you create the network. Number one advantage. Number two, it is reliability. When you form this topology, it is easy to connect it again or to troubleshoot, because you are able to tell that this node is not working. This cable is not working properly. So it is easy for one to tell and troubleshoot and fix the problem. Number three is tangible representation, meaning The topology gives a concrete representation of how devices are physically connected or linked to each other. Basically, these are the three advantages of the physical topology. Now, what are the disadvantages of a physical topology? Disadvantages. Number one, vulnerability of a physical topology. This topology is liable to physical damage. If not well looked after, a personal computer connected on a given network may be easily be damaged. Cables may be cut. Servers may be destroyed. So that poses a danger. Number two, limited flexibility. Limited flexibility. This topology, when it comes to changing, it becomes very expensive. Because as you are changing, you may also destroy some nodes. So it becomes very expensive to change this topology. Number three, the topology may be very expensive. Some of these topology, physical topology, are expensive to put up or to set. They need huge sums of money. Some nodes are very expensive. Some cables are very expensive. Even depending on the size of that topology, it may cost a lot of money. So guys, today we're going to stop there. Remember, we were talking about network topology, and we are simply saying that it is either the physical or logical connection of a network. We also talked about the types of physical topologies. We also discussed the advantages and disadvantages of a physical topology. Next time we meet, we shall talk about the logical topology. For now, let's call it a day. Until we meet again, thank you for following. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe so that together we can learn a lot. I am Malunga. Thanks a lot.